Hey guys, today is a very quick tutorial of how to make your last minute gift wrapping with crochet Christmas style cord. It's super easy, it's 2-color cord. You can actually use any colors, but if you're wrapping specifically for Christmas gifts, these colors are the best because it's very minimalistic. You can use just this cord and it gives super fancy holiday look. You can use also green and red, and I really love it. I would not add anything specific. You can add a pine cone, maybe some other crochet creations you made, but I'm sure already just like that it looks awesome. So you can of course add more things. As a minimalist, I already love this style a lot. So let's start. So to make this cord you can use any color, any type of yarn. I'm using cotton yarn. This one is very thin, and so that's why I'm using 2mm crochet hook. You can use of course other size, even 3mm. Your cord will be bigger, so, and wider. Sorry, cannot set up the focus. So let's start with the 2 yarn, grabbing your and make a slip knot together with the 2 yarn like that. And now just bring any yarn, for example the red one, in front and put on your hook like that, and the white behind, pull through the white. So now you have the white yarn on your hook, so put the white yarn like that and pull the red behind and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Now put the red one and pull the white behind and pull through all 2 loops. Pull the red behind, and that's it. That's how simple. Hope you can see well, and it's super clear because it's super easy. Put the red behind. Try to bring closer. So 1 in front and 1 behind. For this you can use even 1 color. You get 1 color cord. You can even pull it and straight a bit. Don't worry, nothing happens. And that's how simple, but you can make a really long one using a little bit of yarn. So that's all you need. And it's super beautiful. I wanted to buy actually this type of yarn for gift wrapping, and I didn't think that I can crochet it, but then when I saw it that it's possible to crochet, I decided of course I will not buy, because I saw in IKEA they sell this type of yarn, and actually in many craft shops, but now I prefer this one even more than the already done one. I think it's super cute and actually not hard and easy and fast, and you can create any yarn combination, so depending on the purpose. Camera continues. So the only thing here, it can twist like that. I don't know if you have the better idea of how to do that, but actually it's easy to undo if you take the two of them and just do like that, and you can continue. That's what I normally do, but maybe there is the other way, not to let them twist with each other. So this cord or twine or whatever you can call it, it's really nice. And you can experiment with the crochet hook size and the color combination. And that's it. So when you finish, just, for example, you have the red one, just pull all two and just cut the yarn. And you can use this cord actually. If you crochet longer than this one, you can pull like this. You can use as a tag when you put something, as any other cord you would use. So that's actually, you have to make better knot here. And then I just cut it to this size, but you can even hide the yarn in between these things. I just feel that it's already cute like this, so I don't do much of the things. I think that anybody who received this gift will be happy, because you can pull and open the gifts very easily. Super nice, super neat idea. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you again next time.